In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the volume indicator in MT4. Now to do this, you want to open your MT4 and then you want to go to your navigator over here on the left. If you don't see it, you can go to view up top left and click on navigator or press Ctrl and N on your keyboard and it's going to show it over here. Now you want to go to indicators and extend this by clicking on the plus button or double clicking on indicators, and then you have a bunch of different categories. You want to look for volumes. Go and click on volumes over here to extend it, and in here again it says volumes. You can now either double click on volumes or drag it onto the chart. I'm gonna double click, and then from here you have the colors, levels, and visualization, so you can go and change this if you want to, but by default over here it's gonna be value up green and value down red. So I'm just gonna click on OK over here, and as you can see it's now going to show the volume indicator in MT4 just below your chart. Now if you want to actually read the indicator, it's super simple. If the bar is green, it means that the current bar's volume is higher than the previous bar's volume. However, if the bar is red, the current bar's volume is lower than the previous bar's volume. Now, of course, if you want to know the exact number, current volume is going to be displayed over here. But if you want like an exact number for a specific period over here, you can hover over it and you can see down here, of course, it's going to show you volumes and then the value as well, okay? So you can just basically hover over it, wait for a few seconds or just a few milliseconds, and it's going to display the volume. Now, if for some reason it doesn't, it's also going to show it down here at the bottom right. So over here, notice how if I actually hover over it, it says volume. So if I hover over this part here, it's going to show the volume over there as well, okay? The exact number. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.